So where that will break down and who will be impacted by those increases is going to look a little bit different, right? A lot of carriers now are running crime scores, so they're seeing which areas have high crime. A lot of carriers are looking at ingress and egress, who has the most, who has the public accessing their location the most, right? So who's most at risk for a slip and fall or some other type of event to occur where you're ultimately going to get sued. And unfortunately, with the nuclear jury verdicts and everything that we're seeing on the liability side, a lot of those cases are just blowing up and getting out of control. So I think a lot more the hard GL market will be based on things like, what do the tort statutes look like in this specific area? And then in terms of your property itself, how much is the public accessing your property? So think of anyone that you don't have a written contract with that could potentially limit your liability, and how often are they coming onto your property? So you look at multifamily, you're going to have a lease with most people, but even those tenants are going to have people visiting and things like that. That's a huge unknown. So that, I think, is what carriers are really starting to, if you want to look at on the GL side, what people are looking to rate for, it's those unknowns, right? So if you look at even like industrial as an asset class, it's such a huge asset class. It's so many different things from an insurance perspective, right? This could include self-storage. It could include a factory. It could include, an industrial park with a trampoline park inside of it. And so you have that trampoline park, that changes things significantly, right? Because now you've got people coming in and out all the time with the potential to get injured. And maybe you're having them sign a waiver. Hopefully you are, right? But those things aren't bulletproof.